Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. At the farmer's market, I think I showed y'all about a week ago, y'all. I got some green tomatoes. And look at these things. I've been sitting over there. I'm saying every day, I need to do these green tomatoes. Need to do these green tomatoes. And look, now they're going to be red. I'm going to say these other three here on the side because they too red to fry. So I'll just let them turn red. But I got a few here. I'm going to do some old school fried green tomatoes like my mama used to do. And like I do just like her. I do hers in buttermilk and flour. I'm going to do flour, buttermilk, flour, and grease. I'm going to kind of double fry them. And that's it, y'all. So what I'm going to do, I'm just coring the core out of here, and I'm going to slice them up. Try to slice off them bad spots there. But I'm not letting my fried green tomatoes go to waste, y'all. No way. Not letting my fried green tomatoes go to waste. Cause it's hard. Some areas, it's hard to find these, y'all. Let me get these. Let me show y'all how I'm gonna slice them. Then I'll be back here and I'm gonna slice the rest of them up. I just get them bad spots off of there. Sometimes tomatoes have bad spots. I'm gonna just kind of slice them. About inch thick there. I don't want them too thin, I don't want them too thick either. I want them where they're cooked completely off in the skillet. That's pretty much it. See that? So I'm gonna step off here, y'all. Get them all sliced up here. And then we'll come back. I got my grease heating up. And we're gonna fry this off, make some old school fried green tomatoes, southern style. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Let me turn my oil up just a little. I don't want it too hot. I don't want it too cold either. Okay, in my self-rising flour here, I got salt and pepper. I put some cavenders in there. I season my flour instead of my tomatoes, y'all. That's just something I do. If you want to season your tomatoes, you can. But I don't like to season tomatoes with salt and pepper because it lets water come out of there. And I want less liquid as possible to come out of the tomato because it makes the breading soggy. So that's just a little tip that I learned years ago from my mom. So anyway, what I want to do here, I'm going to put, get organized, Chef Jeffrey, get organized here. We're going to put these tomatoes in this other bowl here. And we're going to pour out this whole buttermilk, y'all know. We're going to put our buttermilk in here. Pour our buttermilk in there. Now I'm going to put my tomatoes in here first. I'm going to do flour, buttermilk, flour. Shake these. I lost one on the floor. Shake these bad boys up here. I'm trying to move fast, y'all. I got my flour heating up over there. Y'all know I don't usually use Ziploc bags. I'm getting fancy today. Chef Jeffrey getting fancy out here on y'all. Okay. Tomatoes in the buttermilk here. And like I said, I use whole buttermilk because to me it coats better. And it actually has a lot of flavor. Has better flavor, which a lot of flavor. I guess I was right. Bring it up in there. Okay. So move these around in there, y'all. Make sure they good and coated. And put them right back in the flour here, y'all. Right back in the flour. And this is self-rising flour too. Just let y'all know it is self-rising flour. It's gonna add that little extra crispness to it. Say that fast 50 times, huh? Okay, we're gonna shake this up again. Our fire over here is calling like crazy. So we're gonna move y'all over to the fire because it's hungry. So you need something to eat. So we're gonna just put these bad boys right into the grease here, y'all. Right into the grease. Fry these bad boys up. Just like chicken. Oh yeah. Turn it down just a little. Let's see, nothing like southern fried green tomatoes, right? The first one I put in there gonna get brown quicker. So yeah, we're gonna fry these all, move them around here. Get these all fried up. I'm gonna come back with the last batch. We'll show you the final product, and I'll show you what I eat with mine here, y'all. I think that little bitty one there ready to turn over, yeah. Gotta kind of watch it when you first put them in the grease here. That grease be extra hot. And I gotta kind of watch them here. So, yep. Fried green tomatoes. Anyway, y'all, we will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. I got these here. And these are still in the skillet, about to come out of here. Like I say, it's about, I like to cook them like 2 minutes on each side, because you know these are raw tomatoes. And I don't want to bite them to them, they raw. I like to actually have them cooked. I want that crispiness on the outside. And I want them pretty much cooked in the inside. And yeah, y'all, I eat mine with ranch dressing. You can use tartar sauce. You can use anything you want. But yeah, so see how nice these are? That's the key to the bread and the flour first. And some people do it with cornmeal. You want to do it in cornmeal, by all means, go for it. But I like to do the flour, buttermilk, flour in the grease. And make sure my flour is very well seasoned. I do not put salt on my tomatoes because it'll make them sweat, which will give you a soggy tomato at the end of the day. So, you know, anything you put salt on a vegetable, it's going to make it liquid come out. We'll turn them over one more time here. And then we're going to take these bad boys out. And when I come back, I got to do that world famous flip over. World famous YouTube thumbnail. And when we come back, we're going to sample these bad boys out and see how good they are. Old school fried green tomatoes. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Look at this, y'all. Fried green tomato. Look at that. Look at that. That's good. That's good. That's a good plate of goodness right there. And that's what, 3 or 4 tomatoes? You get all that right there. So anyway, y'all, we're gonna be fancy. We're gonna be fancy. Let's get fancy here, y'all. I'm gonna get fancy in front of the camera. So like I said, I like to cook mine. See how soft that tomato is? See that? I don't like a hard fried green tomato. Cut this one here. Juice. See the breading, how the breading pretty much stays on. So we're going in with some ranch dressing. I like to put mine in ranch. Look at that. Look at this here. It's so good. That fried green tomato got a little tang to it. Oh my God. If you never had a fried green tomato, y'all, like I say, you don't know what you're missing. You really don't. Like I say, I'm keeping it fancy. Look at that. Wow. Nice crispy skin, or crispy coating. Well, I can sit down here, which I will later, and eat. I eat 6 or 7 of these. And sit around. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. But anyway, just want to show y'all I grew up on, we grow tomatoes in the backyard, so I have fried green tomatoes all the time. Well, anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Another thing, y'all, before I close out. Say if I don't eat all these, which I'm not, and I want to warm them back up, that's what's great about the air fryer, y'all. The air fryer changed the game. I put these in the air fryer about 2-3 minutes, and it just brings them back to life. Put that nice crispiness back on them. It does the wonders. Like I said, if you do these ahead of time, you know they're gonna get mushy, kind of mushy and soft as it's set up. Put them in the air fryer about 2 or 3 minutes. Man, they just like you fry them right out of the grease, y'all. So just a little tip there. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.